In front of me is Oukitel WP36, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard. When you're ready, use microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, select this gear instead. Tap on voice typing in Gboard settings and use gray switcher next to use voice typing to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and click on no visible microphone. If you never used it before, select while using the app in the pop-up. Then start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, tap on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!